So because of the olive branch extended by the Republicans, the markets are ripping right now. But what's interesting, let's swing this. Let me just clean things up here. And let's just swing this desktop over. What's interesting is the 10-year is ripping and the market is ripping. So we broke this line here and we're coming to the top. The high being 67, we're testing that, and we have a bit of a divergence here, but it looks like it has some strength, and it may very well just continue. So, I mean, I think we are looking at the market highs. I wouldn't be surprised at all if there are profit taking, or there is profit taking. I'll have to call my mother. She's an English teacher. I wouldn't be surprised at all if there is profit taking tomorrow. But this is not high enough that I would expect a tank. You know, I mean, I got a lot of action going on over here. 417, close that gap. This all makes sense to me. Or maybe even up to that resistance area of 4490. You know, that's the kind of return I'm looking for. Although if we just hit that 43 or 4400 area, that'll be a lower high, and that'll continue the downtrend, which will give us an opportunity. And I really am expecting to test that 4200 area. Yeah, that 4200 looks really good to me, man. And I really feel as though it's within our reach on this go around. And October still, you know, is a lousy month. This is quite a consolidation, though. But a good consolidation can continue the downtrend. I don't know. We got to watch it. But anyway, we got an update today. I'm thinking, again, we may sell off on Friday. Today might be a crazy day, man. We're already looking at about 30 points or 40 points, right? What are we looking at? Yeah, let's arguably we could say 40 points. Let's see what that looks like. We closed at 63, so we're at, yeah, there we go. We're at 400. That's what I expected. We tag that. We might break up on it. Yeah, that looks good. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a sell-off tomorrow. I don't know if it's going to be that aggressive. It may just consolidate, give us a bear flag, move up a little bit, and then pull down, or it may just consolidate on Friday. I mean, but I think we're going to look at a trend change and some profit taking for tomorrow. So today, I mean, we're opening up 40. That's a hard place to trade. We may close that gap to the downside. If we do, that's going to be an ugly bar. Then we definitely got to sell off for Friday into the weekend. But a lot of money's been made this week, so wouldn't you take some of it off the table? Unless, of course, you're an ape and then you wait for the market to go to like 10,000. So we looked at the 10-year, and we see the 10 years pushing up, and it's going to continue to push up. It looks like it has some energy, some momentum. It's making a divergence, and I do believe that close to April, it's going to come back down into the mid-14s, and I'm looking for a fill on that gap of, well, that's low 14s, like 14.12, or that would be 1.41 interest. And investment wise, you know, again, I still like these securities, and they're going to trade with the market over the next month or so. I don't think you can be very strategic in your entry. I think you could take a good entry. Disney looks like it's setting up a wedge, and it should get going. Again, Palladium, PPLT. keep forgetting to tell my old man to watch that. It's pushing up right now. I'd try to buy it on dips, but once we solve this chip shortage, you're going to see a lot of things move, and this is going to be contingent on automobiles selling. Spacely Sprockets, Virgin Galactic, Spacely Sprockets. Anybody remember that from the Jetsons? I like the company. Looks good. You can get involved. Tesla, buying it on dips. Viacom, I like it around here. I'm looking for 64 on it. It keeps rejecting this trend line down here. So it'll get aggressive once it breaks above this 41. It's going to hit a little resistance in the 42 area. But this time next year, I'm expecting 64. I'm hoping and praying. Verizon, like I said, pays a nice dividend. I like the stock. It's cheap. Suck it up. ExxonMobil, it's good doings. Should start coming down shortly. Putin's going to release some oil. I think Biden ought to get out there and start threatening to release our reserves. I mean, Trump would have been all over that shit already. And then for the free folk, Fuel Cell, I like the company. I didn't really dig into it. I mean, I don't see a trading opportunity, but I think it's good investment plug. Good investment. I mean, in the right sectors, the right arena. These guys have been around a long time. If it's Plug Power, the one I recall. Again, yep, Plug Power. It's not, I didn't do the homework on it. This nonsense came to me. I don't know. I mean, it could work. It could not. Metamaterials. I don't take crapshoots. So I think you guys know that by now. Hey, hanging on. It's hanging on. AMC still above that line. We'll stay bullish until it breaks that line. Then we go bearish. And then this other stuff. I don't know, man. I'm just tired of looking at it. I'm doing it to get hits, and honestly, I mean, I just tell you, stay away. There's so much good shit to make money on. Everybody's trying to get in on the ground floor of things. That's like hitting the lotto. When you could just be consistent, invest right, trade right, be consistent, make money. This lotto nonsense. Sophie Technologies, bullish above that trend line. So basically, if you want me to look at a stock for you, I'm happy to do it. If anybody's out there, aside from my good friend Tommy, if anybody's out there, so shoot me a note, hit the subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. You could hit me up in PayPal if you want to support us one time. You could hit me up in Patreon if you want to continue supporting the channel. I'm happy to do it. So we got, what do we got? We got time on our hands. Oh, we have about 12 minutes till the market starts.